Let us learn how to add a sleeve. I'll take a rectangle. So if I want to draw a sleeve, I need to know the armhole length. So how do I measure? How do I check the measurement of the armhole? So I'll select edit pattern and I click on the line, armhole line. You can see the number here, 170.3. So the back armhole will be 170.3. So since both are equal, 170.3 plus 170.3 will be 340.6. So I need to draw a rectangle with the width 340.6. So I'll select rectangle tool. How to draw a rectangle with the measurement? That is, you have to just left click. Then you can see a dialog box here. It shows width. So I'll enter 340.6. And now you can see the width as 340.6. I'll draw short. I'll do a short sleeve. So I'll reduce the length. Now you can see the sleeve pattern will be curved. I need to curve this. So what I have to do, I have to select edit curvature and just increase it. And now I'll just reduce it. So you can reduce a pattern length or width using this method. That is, you have to long press and while moving you right click that. How you have to do is, you have to just move it and right click. Don't leave the left mouse click button. You just have to hold the point, move and right click. Now I will enter the measurement distance move will be 30. So here also I'll just right click. Here also I'll move 30 millimeter inside. So you can see now the sleeve pattern is being done. So let me see where is the sleeve. I need to adjust it now. So I will go to arrangement points, that is fitting point. Show arrangement points, that is shortcut will be Shift F. You can check the earlier videos, you can find it there. Now I have already selected this pattern. I have to place it and place it here. Since I have made it as a curvature, now the measurement has been increased from 340 to 366. So I'll reduce it a little bit. The same procedure, I'll just click, move and right click. I'll move this 10 millimeter. I'll again move this 10 millimeter. That's 348. So that's fine, I think. Now I will have to stitch the edges and also attach the sleeve. So what is the shortcut for segment sieving? That is N. I have to stitch the sides of the sleeve. Now I have to stitch the armhole. What I'll do is, here you have two different patterns, right? But the sleeve is just one full line. There will be a cut in between. I need to add a point here. So what I'll do, I'll go to add point. I'll just select and right click. Now I want to use uniform split. I want to make sure that the point is added in between the sleeve line. So I'll click on uniform split, and then number of segments will be 2. If I increase, you'll get 2 points here. So I just want 1 point so that there will be 2 parts in the line. Now I click OK. Now it is placed at the middle of the pattern. Now what I will do, I'll again click on N, that is segment ceiling. So if I can use the 3D window to stitch. I'll flip on this to this. And now again this to this. Now the sleeve is being, and I'll create the other side of the sleeve. That is, I'll click on Ctrl C and Ctrl R. And just place it here. So this stitching of the sleeve sides is being done. Just that I have to stitch the armhole. And I'll off the arrangement points. I don't need that now. So Shift F. Now I'll again click on segment ceiling, that is N. I'll stitch the armhole and sleeve. Click and double click. If you're using in 3D window, you have to double click in the end. Now my sleeve is being done. I'll press on simulation, that is space bar. Great. See, this is how you add a sleeve.